doesn't produce particularly visually compelling outputs. And for that, in the final of these tutorials, we're going to use Gemini to take the data and then form it into an animated web page, which you can use to demonstrate your results. When you've loaded Gemini into your browser, the next stage is to add your file. Click on the small plus button and upload files. In this case, we're going to use the CSV file. A quick explanation before we begin. XLS files, which are used by Microsoft Forms and Excel, can be used in Gemini, but to be honest, sometimes produces errors when reading them, in contrast to the more widely compatible CSV, which stands for comma separated values. When you've uploaded this file, you can then enter a fairly simple prompt. In this example, I type, "Produce an infographic page from the data in the CSV file." I then make sure that Canvas is selected and hit Submit. This will take a few seconds as it begins the process of analyzing the form. And then it will transfer to Canvas. As you can see on the right-hand side, Gemini is starting to produce the code which will generate a web page, taking the analyzed data and outputting it into a format that can be displayed in HTML. This will take about a minute or so, but as you can see, it immediately creates a visually compelling page which brings together all the information that has been collected previously. I use Gemini, a huge amount, to create web pages that can produce effective and visually appealing infographic pages. In addition, you can ask Gemini to create an animated slideshow from the information that you provide. Gemini will analyze your data before producing a series of slides, which will allow you to create powerful and visually appealing presentations which can be uploaded to a website.